In recent years, Google has started leveraging much more importance on secured sites, which means an SSL certificate on your website is more important than ever. If you need to know how to fix the mixed content warning on your WordPress website in order to troubleshoot your SSL install, keep on watching. After installing your SSL certificate, you probably expected a secured padlock symbol to show up in the URL bar, but you might instead be met with an exclamation point and a mixed content message. That means that elements are not being loaded securely over the SSL certificate that you installed. I like to think of it like you installed an alarm system for your home, but one of your windows is not hooked up. Thankfully, there are quite a few ways to easily find and fix the mixed content warning in WordPress. If you're using Google Chrome, you can quickly find the element that is triggering the mixed content warning using the Inspect tool. On the web page where you're seeing the mixed content warning, right-click and choose Inspect. In the Console tab, you will find the mixed content alerts clearly in red and yellow. These alerts will identify the URL of the resource that's being called over HTTP, whereas it should be called over HTTPS. In the Security tab, you can select View the Request and Network panel, and you'll find a list of links that are throwing the warning. If you're not using Google Chrome, or just want a more concise way to find all the mixed content on your site, there are a few free tools that you can use. Try Why No Padlock or SSL Checker. Both tools require you to just insert the URL and run a check. Or you can use HTTPS Checker, which is a desktop app that checks for mixed content on your website. You can fix mixed content warnings using your hosting settings. Some hosts, like Kinsta and WP Engine, among others, have a search and replace tool in their dashboard that you can use for troubleshooting mixed content warnings. Contact your hosting support team to find out what settings you might have to configure. If you're using a CDN, keep in mind that some CDN zones have different domains for HTTP and HTTPS connections. You might need the hosting support team to enable SSL on your CDN zone. You can also fix mixed content warnings with a plugin. Make sure to always take a backup before configuring any content or adding any new plugins. We recommend the Really Simple SSL plugin. It automatically adjusts all the links on your site to run over HTTPS. Much fewer steps on your end. There is a free version and a premium version with a ton more useful features. Once you've adjusted your links, either manually through your host or with a plugin, you should check to make sure that the mixed content warning is really resolved. Simply use the same steps from step 1 to navigate around your site, or use a tool to search the site for insecure elements. Now you know how to fix the mixed content warning in WordPress. Please like this video if it was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post new WordPress tutorials every single Tuesday. Have a buff-tastic day!